90% of day traders lose money within their first year, with only 1% of active day traders making a consistent profit over time. And here's why. Day trading is based on short-term gains, which forces you to make quick decisions that are usually based on emotions and not logic. And this is why even the most experienced traders struggle to stay in the game. So if you want to make money, focus on long-term value investing. Instead of day trading every day, invest in solid companies, diversify, and hold for the long run, because that's where the real wealth is built. So if you want to stop chasing short-term gains and start building long-term wealth, grab my Wealth Builders hit list in the link in the bio. It's a system that I have spent years building of over 100 stocks and funds that has gotten me consistent 20% gains. So if you want those consistent gains and to take financial freedom into your own hands, click the link in the bio and grab it today.